Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we got wholesome new problem which says let a comma b belongs to real number. Let the mean and the variance of six observations. So we have six observation and the mean is this and the variance is this respectively. So first we will focus on mean. So how we will find out the mean? We will add all the elements minus 3 plus 4 plus 7 minus 6 plus a plus b. The number of elements is 6, so divided by 6. And according to us, mean is this, but according to them, mean is 2. Now, this is 1, 1, 2. So, can I write 2 plus a plus b equals 12? Can I write a plus b equals 10? So, we got sum of elements as 10. Now we will apply the second idea. The second idea is about variance. So these guys are talking about variance. So what is variance? Variance is sum of, it's not sum of square of all the elements divided by number of terms minus mean square. So sum of square of all the elements. So 9, 16, 49, 36, a square b square by the number of numbers. The number of numbers is 6 minus mean square. So mean is 2, so square will be 4. So according to us, variance is this, but according to them, variance is 23. So if this side 23 stays, and I will send 4 this side. So we will be having 74 plus 36 plus a square plus b square by 6. Okay, so we will have 27. Okay, now 27 times 6, so 42, 162. Okay, and this is 110 a square plus b square. Comfortable? Now can I write a square plus b square as 52? Okay, so we got sum of both the elements, we got sum of square of both the elements. Okay, now what we'll do, we will apply hit and trial. Okay, so 1 9 nahi, 2 8 nahi, 3 9 49 nahi, 4 16 36 42 52. Yes, correct. So can I say that the value of a is 4 and the value of b is 6? So we got a and b done. Okay, so this you should apply hit and trial to get these numbers. Now we need to find out what mean deviation about mean. Okay, so mean deviation about mean means what? From all the elements you have to subtract mean. What is mean? Mean is 2. Okay, now if it is mean deviation is 2, you should go with, now subtract in such a way so that you will have a positive number. So minus 3 minus 2 will become 5. Then 4 minus 2 will become 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. So it will become 8. Then a was what? A was 4. So it will become 2. Now b is 6. So it will become 4 divided by the number of numbers 6. Okay, now do the simplification part. So it is 10, it is 20, 26. So we got 26 by 6, or we can say it is 13 by 3. Therefore, the required value becomes 13 by 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.